Hi guys, welcome back. Alrighty guys, they came up from Ashdown on a Tuesday night. Alrighty guys, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to link and subscribe. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Alright guys, I'm looking for fans, so anybody want to be a fan of me, it's okay and it's good. And you can also be a big fan of the Kiamichi Railroad. Alrighty guys, please, I am looking for people to be my biggest fans. And I don't mind if you become my biggest fan. I don't care if you wave at me or what. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is live footage on the Kiamichi Railroad. Kiamichi Road short lines. Alrighty guys, here they are. Alright guys, they done hooked the canals there. That was the front of the train. And this is what they're picking up tonight. Only about 3. They're only picking up those 3 wood trains, wall mount wood cars right there. I guess that's what they're called, but okay guys, here we are. Alright guys, they're backing in to pick up these freight cars. Alright guys, I'm gonna pause for a minute and talk to my friends real quick. Alrighty guys, welcome back. symbol on it. That was cool. Alrighty, y'all. Alright, guys, they're going here good night. They're back this way tomorrow night. Alrighty, guys. Woo! Hope y'all love Cummings Road short lines. I need fans. So if anybody wants to be a fan, y'all can be my biggest fan. I'm looking for fans. So, and I'm looking for people who want to be fans of the Cummings Railroad. And alrighty, guys. I hope y'all stop, look, and listen. Please be careful when you're approaching railroad crossing signals. Please don't go around the sticks. It's illegal, and I don't want to see nobody get hurt, or you, or anybody. And so it could be malfunction, but don't trust malfunctions, because there could be a train. Because railroad crossings they're starting to change the timers now. When they're starting to go down. Train is about 1 mile out. So guys, I hope y'all enjoy this. Please be careful. Do not race the train. Don't beat a train. And just please be careful out there. Please don't drink and drive. Alright, guys. Lives matter. And please do not scare the train engineers. And please wave at these guys or any other train engineer. Please wave at them. They're pretty nice, good people to wave at. Alrighty, guys, y'all have a good night. Catch you guys later. See you tomorrow night. Alrighty, guys, marshalling out. And it's just me filming this train alone. Yep.